Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Muhammad Jahid Hassan. I'm an English language teacher. So right now I'm gonna talk about a word, and the word is across. The spelling of this word is A-C-R-O-S-S, across. The meaning of this word is এক পাশ থেকে অন্য পাশ বা বিপরীত দিকে. So here are some sentences using this word. The stream is 2 meters across. They built a bridge across the river. The library is just across the road. We tried to get over our point across, but he just wouldn't listen. I drew a line across the page. The view is common across the world. We cannot swim across, it's too wide. So right now I'm going to drill 2 sentences. The stream is 2 meters across. 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 প্রবাহতে 2 মিটার প্রশস্ত. They built a bridge across the river. 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 তারা নদীর উপর দিয়ে একটি সেতু তৈরি করে. So one thing you should to remember that when you learn a vocabulary, you should practice the way I'm practicing. Whenever you learn a vocabulary, you should write that vocabulary, you should write the meaning as well, and then you should drill some sentences so that you can memorize the word as well as those sentences. Thank you very much.